Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make glutathione tablets. We will begin by understanding the critical ingredients and their roles in the formulation. Then, we will delve into the precise steps of mixing and granulation, ensuring a consistent product. Finally, I will guide you through the compression process and essential quality control measures, helping you create high-quality tablets with confidence and accuracy. First, accurately weigh all your active and inactive ingredients using a precision scale. For example, you might use 250 milligrams of glutathione per tablet. Next, sieve all powdered materials through a fine mesh, perhaps a 60-mesh screen, to remove any lumps and ensure uniform particle size. Finally, blend these ingredients thoroughly in a mixer for about 15 minutes to achieve a homogeneous mixture, which is crucial for consistent tablet quality. Now, let's move to granulation. Slowly add a suitable binder solution, like a 5% starch paste, to your powder mixture while continuously mixing. This forms wet granules. Next, spread these wet granules evenly on trays and dry them in an oven at about 50 degrees Celsius until the moisture content is between 1 and 3%. Finally, mill the dried granules through a 20-mesh screen to achieve a consistent size, preparing them for compression. The final step is compression. Feed your dried and milled granules into a tablet press, adjusting the machine to produce tablets of consistent weight, typically around 500 milligrams, and hardness, often between 5 and 10 kilopons. During this process, regularly check tablet hardness and weight. After compression, perform final quality control tests, including dissolution and disintegration, to ensure your glutathione tablets meet all required specifications and are ready for packaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.